Hey Nashville, if you've seen ads or heard buzz about the Hills Nashville, you might be wondering, is it legit or just another scam? Let's break this down fast, so you don't waste your time or money. First up, if you're talking about the Hills Nashville church or the neighborhood, yeah, that's absolutely real. The church is known for its high-energy worship, super welcoming crowd, and pastors who actually crack jokes. Reviews say it's diverse and laid back, but if you're a traditional churchgoer, you might find the vibe a bit casual. Think crop tops and jeans, not suits and ties. Now, if you're looking at apartments in the Hills, people love the modern setups and pet-friendly perks. But, heads up, some residents mention the management changes more often than the seasons, and a few say the luxury finishes are more Instagram than in real life. Still, it's a legit spot in Nashville with a solid local following. But here's where the red flag goes up: weight loss products using the Hills Nashville name. If you see keto gummies or diet pills plastered with fake celebrity endorsements, run. Real talk. There's no Oprah-backed Hills Nashville weight loss supplement. Scammers use deep fakes or stolen images to trick you, and customers report getting billed hundreds instead of the advertised price. Trying to cancel? Good luck. Most never see that money again. So, bottom line, if you're interested in the church or the apartments, the Hills Nashville is the real deal. But if it's a miracle health supplement with a sketchy website, that's a scam with a capital S. Stay smart, Nashville. Always check reviews and don't believe everything you see online.